In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish posts and stories in Meta Business Suite. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account and that you have access to the right business page. Then open Meta Business Suite in your browser. You can usually find it by going to the Business Suite link from your Facebook menu or by typing in the Business Suite URL directly. Once it loads, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage posts, messages, insights, and more for your Facebook page and connected Instagram account. From this dashboard, look for the option that says Create Post. It's typically near the top or on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Post Composer, which is the space where you'll build your new post. In the Composer, start by choosing where you want your post to appear. You can usually post to Facebook, Instagram, or both at the same time, depending on what you've connected. Next, type in your caption or main message. Try to keep it clear and relevant for your audience. If it helps, think about what you want people to do after seeing this post, whether that's visiting your website, commenting, or sending you a message. Now, add your media. Click the button to upload photos or videos from your computer, or select existing media if you have a library set up. Visual content usually performs better, so try to use high quality images or short, engaging videos. You can also add links, and in many cases, Meta will generate a preview for you. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything. Check the text for spelling, confirm the correct accounts are selected, and make sure the images or videos look right. If you're happy with it and want it to go live immediately, click Publish. If you prefer to post later, look for the scheduling option and choose a date and time that works best for your audience. Once your post is published or scheduled, click the Home button at the top to return to your main dashboard. From here, you can also create a story. Look for Create Story and click it. This opens the Story Composer, which is designed for short vertical content. Add your photos or videos for the story, and consider using simple text or stickers if those options are available to highlight key information. When you're ready, review your story one last time, then click Share to publish it to your connected accounts. Your content is now live in both your feed